Hey guys! So let's do an unboxing of the PR package that I received from Dazzle Me. So they sent me a lot of products. So sweet. Thank you so much. I actually posted a story about this and then a lot of my friends were asking kung ano yung isa-isa. Pakita ko daw. So okay, ito na. But first things first is an eyeshadow. So this is the Dazzle Me X Smiley World Collection Cosmic Eyeshadow Palette in the shade A Dose of Happiness. Ayan siya. So I'm gonna put this one here, but this is how it looks like inside. Hindi ko naman nakita nyo na to sa story ko, some of you, but this is how it looks like. Sobrang cute, very pink and yellow ng theme nila here. But I love how most of it are pink. This is the shade. And then we also have here setting spray. So we have the Dewy Fix setting spray. I do have a collection of setting spray from Dazumi. So thank you so much kasi napalitan na yung Dewy ko kasi naubos na siya. We also have here some jelly blushes. Ito siya lahat. So I have it swatched on my hand. But ito yung itsura niya. Sobrang cute ng packaging. Ang bango, ang sarap ng kainin, ganon. Para siyang jelly is. Okay, so on top of my head, alalahanin natin yung shades. So, this is cotton candy, chewing gum, jelly bean, sundae, sugar cane, and then sundae sprinkle. Sundae sprinkle is a highlighter and I think wala na siya here. Pero, in person, meron pang mga shimmers. So, shimmer siya. Ito siya. Nag-iisang shimmer nila. And then we also have here their ink jelly. Sobrang cute nito, guys. Promise. Pakita ko yung isang shade sa inyo. So, I have 3 shades here. But this shade is 982 ink. Para siyang blood na kailangan mong i-mix. Alam mo yung nagsettle na blood. As a medtech girly. Ayan. May parang ganun yung itsura niya. So, we have 3 shades in total: Dream Ink, Aim Ink, and Plan Ink. So Plan Ink is similar to the next lippy that I'll be sharing with you guys. This is also their Ink Plus Lip Tint, which is the lippy that I'm currently in love with. Yun yung hindi nila collaboration with Smiley World, but this is in the shades Blush Ink and Wink Ink. So Wink Ink yung liner ko. Doon yung inner ko is the blush ink. I also have some goodies from them. So, I received a mirror, stickers, and also a pop socket. But those are the things that I received from